To remove the charge board on the 9800, you have to, it's stuck down with a sticker. You have to get under it and lift it up, but you'll notice that these battery screws here are overlapping the board and holding it in place. So it doesn't matter if I lift it up from this end as well. I actually have to get the battery off. Now it's loosened. But it looks like I'm going to take the whole battery off. Having taken all the perimeter screws off, we can lift this up ever so gently. And see if we can get this out. And there we have it. Here's the board, here's the sticker. And the new board goes in the same way the other one came out. Waterproof socket first. Got to lift up the battery case, get it under there. And you've also got to remember to lift up the control ribbon. That's underneath as well, so that you get the whole lot. Now the board fits back into its lugs. Or it will do. You know you've made it when it sits flush. And the procedure is just the reverse of screwing it back in. So the two screws we took out of the bottom of the battery cover. Of course, would be easier. Tiny little screws easily placed. Screw 1, screw 2.